Start on the Hamster Coin, and you've got into this page with my registration link. Just click on that's launch button. Then once it's loaded up, okay, you can see I always have these every time I log in. Alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to N. Make sure that you have collected this daily reward. Click on it. Make sure you have collected it. Okay, if you have collected that, that's the first thing you want to do. Make sure that you have followed all these pages. Once you choose an exchange coin, you get another 5,000 coin. So make sure you have all these checked already. Sorry, I just made a mistake there. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, so that's about that. Then if you have friends, if you have referred your friend, make sure you claim this one also. You can say I've just claimed mine, and you can see all this is marked. So that's the first point. Then the next thing is come to this mine page. You can see today we have 5 million coins to collect. So I'm going to unveil this third card. You have to collect 3 cards. The first one is for today. The first one is license UAE. The second one is Hamster Daily. This Hamster Daily is under this. Oh, sorry. I don't know what happened to my phone today. It's just acting somehow. Okay, come back to mine tab again. This Hamster Daily is under the special tabs, under new cards. Sorry, under my cards. You can see I have it here. I have it here because I have added it to my card, so it should be under new card actually. So you just click on it, and the third card we'll be going for is long squeeze, but I'm not coming there yet. So come to market also. The first card there is license UAE. So license UAE is somewhere at the bottom here. Sorry, I think it's PRNT. Let's see. Okay, this is license UAE. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, this is it. So I've gotten it already. In fact, I'm in level 2. If I click on it now, I'll upgrade with 6,000 coin. Oh, seriously, I don't know why this is happening today. So I'm so sorry for what this is doing. So then make sure that you do this tapping. You can use 5 fingers to do your tapping. You can see. So this is currently giving me 13 coins for each click. So you can use 10. If you can use 10 fingers, no problem. If it is convenient with you to do that. So I'll just click on tapping, continue tapping, continue tapping. Alright, so that's done. You can click on this boost also. Click on this energy, go ahead. It will give you another full 6,005 for wherever you have for your level. So you can do this. So every hour it will be increasing. It will give you another chance to use that full energy to increase your coin. So you can see I'm exhausting this one again. Oh, sorry. I don't know. I had issue with my phone yesterday, and that is why this is coming up. So I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. So just go on again. Alright, okay, so you can see I cannot take this again. Make sure that you have boosted your your multi-tap. You can see I'm in level 9 for the boosting, and for the energy I'm in level 8. So that's where I want to stop for now. So then you can come back here and tap to the mine section, get these 2 cards that I've said. The third card I will unveil it today.